Hello, today's topic is biological clock. I'm going to discuss some questions from this topic. Let's start. First question is before you. It is Bunning published his work on biological clock. We have three choices: 1946, 1936, 1956. Correct answer is 1936. This is the picture of Bunning. Okay, let's move to the second question. Second question is asking pendulum movement of birds is initiated due to. So here that is back and fro movement. Exactly, we can say it is the migratory movement of birds. We have three options here: day length, hormonal changes, and both. So correct answer is both. Both the day length and hormonal changes is affecting the initiation of pendulum movement in birds. Third question is here: hibernation is regulated by. So hibernation is winter sleep. It is regulated by temperature, biological clock, both. So correct answer is both. Hibernation is controlled by temperature as well as biological clocks. Explanation: the pendulum movement, that is the migratory behavior of bird. This is the explanation of question number 2. Is initiated by day length, that is photoperiod. Because day length is regulated by sunlight. Increasing or decreasing daylight is the primary environmental cue that signals the start of migration. And second, we have hormonal changes. Changes in the day length stimulate the endocrine system, leading to the release of hormones that prepare birds for migration. That is increased fat storage, restless reproductive change. Let's move to the next question. Next question, I have given here the explanation as well. We already came to know the answer, that is both. Hibernation is regulated by temperature and biological clock. Here is the explanation. It is regulated by temperature, that is falling environmental temperature acts as an external cue to initiate hibernation. Because hibernation or estivation occurs in cold-blooded animals and their body temperature is affected by the fluctuation of environmental temperature. So temperature is the first answer. Second is biological clock, that is circadian rhythm. Internal biological clocks regulate the timing of hibernation, okay, even if environmental conditions vary. Number 4 is monarch butterfly migrates from USA to Mexico, Peru to USA, Canada to Mexico. So correct answer is USA to Mexico. Explanation I have given here. Millions of eastern North American monarchs embark on an incredible journey of up to 3,000 miles, flying from South Canada and the United States to spend the winter in the warmer mountain forest of central Mexico. So correct answer is USA to Mexico. So let's move to the next question. Next question is before you, that is American ground squirrel goes into hibernation. Okay, 3 months we have given, that is November, December, October. So correct answer is October. Okay. Explanation: American ground squirrels generally begin their hibernation in September or early October, right before the harsh winter condition limits their food supply. So correct answer is option number C. Let's move to the next question. Next question is here. I have given the explanation for this question. Entrainment is, we have three options here: setting of biological clock, resetting of biological clock, entrainment through clock. So correct answer is option number B, resetting of biological clock. Explanation is here. First we need to know what is entrainment. Entrainment is the process by which an organism's biological clock or circadian rhythm is reset or synchronized with environmental cues called Jedgabers, such as light and dark cycle, temperature, feeding time. This synchronization ensures that the internal biological clock remains aligned with the external environment. That's why cold-blooded animal goes for hibernation and estivation during winter and summer to reset their biological clock. Okay. Thank you. This is all about the question. Bye.